You are a busy person. Got a program for you, the IMA program. My name is Sergeant First Class DaCosta, Army Reserve Career Counselor out of Fort Sill. There are currently over 4,000 IMA slots. Psychological ops, public affairs, civil affairs. In the IMA program, there are several positions all over the United States, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands. There might be like one IMA position out there. If you meet the requirements and get accepted, they'll want to see copies of NCOERs or OERs. What you can do is, if you don't like drilling once a month, you can knock it all out at once. You can negotiate the time where you can complete your training, and you will essentially conduct all your drills and annual training all at once, get up to speed, and not have to worry about it for the rest of the year. 30 to 45 days consecutively, and you knock it out. Sign your 4651. I'm making it sound complicated. It's not. You just have to want to do it. And I'm telling you, this can benefit you. So if you have any questions or want to delve into a topic a little bit deeper, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'm at your service, and I look forward to providing this information. It will help you in your career to advance and move in the direction that you want to go. So thank you for your time, and you take care.